Hello, everyone, and welcome to today's English Learning Podcast. My name is Lydia, and I am so happy that you're joining me today. In this episode, we're going to explore one of the most useful and exciting skills for English learners making friends in English, both online and offline. Now, let's be honest, making friends is not always easy. Even in our own language, it can be a little scary. What if the other person doesn't like us? What if we don't know what to say? What if we say something wrong? And when it comes to English, it can feel even harder. Maybe you worry about your grammar. Maybe you don't know the right word. Or maybe you just freeze and you stay quiet. But here's the truth. Making friends is not about speaking perfect English. It's about the connection. It's about kindness. It's about curiosity. If you show interest in another person, if you smile, if you ask questions, if you use simple, friendly words, people will enjoy talking to you, even if your English is not perfect. So today, I will give you a complete toolkit for making friends in English. We'll look at how to start conversations in real life, how to make connections online, and the most useful vocabulary and phrases, cultural tips, common mistakes, and we'll also do some practice together. By the end of this episode, you will feel more confident and you will have real, ready to use English for your next conversation. So relax. Maybe grab a notebook if you want to take some notes, and let's get started. Now, let's start with making friends in real life, face to face. When you meet someone new, the first step is always a greeting. Greetings are like doors. If you don't greet, the door will stay closed. But when you say hi, the door opens. Now, here are some basic greetings like hi, hello, hey. Simple, right? But let's make them stronger by adding more. Example: Hi, I'm Lydia. Nice to meet you. Hello, how are you doing today? Hey, is this seat taken? Now, let's just imagine you're in a coffee shop. You see someone reading the same book that you love. You can say, Hi, I couldn't help noticing you're reading Harry Potter. That's my favorite book, too. Now, the person smiles and says, Really? I love it too. I'm reading it for the third time. You can say, Wow, that's amazing. Which book in the series is your favorite? Now, from here, you're having a real conversation. Another example: you are at a gym. You see someone using the same machine you like. You say, Hey, do you usually come here at this time? Yes, almost every evening. Cool. I usually come in the evenings, but I might change my schedule. Do you like working out in the evening? And there you go. Another conversation started. The secret of making friends is curiosity. Always balance talking about yourself with asking a question. Now, here are some open conversation starters that you can try. Do you live around here? What do you usually do on weekends? Do you like sports? What kind of music do you listen to? Have you been here before? When the other person answers, don't just say, okay, add a reaction. That's interesting. Oh, really? Tell me more. Wow, I didn't know that. These short responses make the other person feel good. Now, repeat after me. Hi, I'm Lydia. Nice to meet you. Do you live around here? Wow, that's interesting. Good. That's exactly how you practice. Now, let's move on to the other section, to the online world. These days, so many friendships start online. Facebook groups, Instagram, TikTok, Discord, YouTube, language apps, and even online games. When you start chatting online, don't write long paragraphs. Keep it short and friendly. Some examples to start online conversations. Hi, nice to meet you. Where are you from? Hello, I'm learning English too. Want to practice together? Hey, I saw your post about movies. I love movies too. What's your favorite one? Always use polite words. Please, thank you, sorry. Could you please tell me about your hobbies? Or thanks for sharing that. Or how about, sorry, my English is not perfect, but I want to learn. Now, be careful online. Don't give your phone number or address to strangers. Don't share private things until you really trust the person. Now, if you join a Facebook group for English learners, someone posts, I want a study partner. You can write, Hi, I'm Lydia. I'm also learning English. Would you like to practice together once a week? They say, Sure. What's your favorite way to practice? You say, I like short conversations, maybe 15 minutes a day. How about you? Now you have a new online friend. Or how about if you're playing an online game? You want to chat. You say, Hey, nice move. How long have you been playing this game? And they say, Thanks, about 3 years. Then you say, Wow, that's a long time. Do you play every day? Now, you're not only gaming, but also making a friend. Here are ready to use friendship phrases. If you want to introduce yourself, say hi. I don't think we've met before. I'm new here. What about you? Hey, are you enjoying the event? Or how about asking hobbies? What do you usually do on weekends? Do you like sports or music? What kind of books do you read? Do you watch Netflix? What's your favorite show? Or if you would like to show someone that you agree with them, you might say, Yes, I feel the same way. Me too. That's my favorite as well. Or how about, I know exactly what you mean? Or my favorite, absolutely. How to end a conversation, politely, of course. It was nice talking to you. Let's chat again soon. Great to meet you. Have a good day. See you later. Take care. Or how about, let's stay in touch? In English speaking countries, people often start with small talk. Small talk means light conversation about safe topics, weather, weekend plans, sports, movies. For example, someone might say, "Nice weather today." Someone else would reply, "Yes, it's beautiful. Do you prefer warm weather or cold weather?" That is small talk. Safe and easy. Now, here are some common mistakes. If you only talk about yourself, asking too personal questions too soon, using too much internet slang, or being negative or complaining too much. Okay, now let's move on and practice together. Repeat after me slowly. Hi, I'm Lydia. Nice to meet you. Where are you from? Do you like sports? Cool. Me too. Great job. Now let's role play. Imagine you are at a cafe. I will be person A and you will be person B. I will start off with a question and you will respond. Hi, is this seat free? Thanks. By the way, do you live around here? Nice. I live close too. Do you come to this cafe often? Perfect. Now that's a natural conversation. Now, online practice. Hi, I'm learning English. What about you? Cool. Do you want to practice together? Excellent. This is real, simple English. All right, my friends, we have come to the end of today's podcast. We learned how to make friends off offline and face to face, how to start online conversations, useful vocabulary and phrases, cultural tips and mistakes to avoid, and we practice together with role plays. Remember, friendship is not about perfect English. It's about the connection, curiosity, and simple kindness. So here's my challenge. This week, use one phrase from today's podcast with someone new. It could be in a cafe, in your school, in your job, or online. Just try one phrase. Thank you so much for listening. If you enjoyed this podcast, please subscribe, share it with a friend, and leave a comment with the phrase you will try this week. Have a wonderful day. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next episode. Goodbye, friends.